Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can set privacy on last seen and online status on the emo. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the emo and you will see profile icon at the top left corner. And then you will see security and privacy option, click on it and then scroll down the page and you will see online status and last seen options, click on it and then you can see my online status and last seen is enabled for everyone. So if you want to enable for my contact, then only your contact can see your online status and last seen. If you will select nobody, then nobody can see your online status and last seen. If you will select on custom, then select the person on which you want to show your online status and last seen. So only selected people can only see your online status and last seen. So in this way you can set privacy on online status and last seen. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.